Thank you so much for clicking on and watching today's video. It is much appreciated. In today's video, I am going to try to make Halloween neon sign looking type of cupcake toppers. This cookie that I found on Pinterest is my inspiration for these fondant toppers. So without further hesitation, let's get this video underway. These are some of the tools and supplies that I used. All of them will be linked down below in the description box if you would like to recreate these cupcake toppers yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is roll out my backgrounds. This is what I refer to them as, which is like what your stuff is going to go on. You will be using black fondant for both the backgrounds and for your shapes. Next, you'll be using your white food coloring marker and just outlining and highlighting the details of your shapes. Okay, the next step, which this is the most tedious and time consuming, and your fondant has to also be at the right texture, is you are going to use the smallest plate with your clay extruder, the very small holes, and you are going to extrude your fondant into the little strings, and you are simply going to outline your shapes. Now, I tried numerous times with the pink, and the pink was just too soft. It kept smushing together. So I literally just let my pink fondant set out. I moved on to another shape and came back to the pink after it had like air dried just a little bit, just for the right texture. Also, if you notice, I do grab the white marker occasionally. That is just in case your fondant covers up the white and you just want like a little bit more of a air quote glow area. So next I am taking my neon food color powder and I am just simply going over the fondant and the white marker to give it that glow effect. And finally, I'm taking a big fluffy brush just to brush off the excess powder, wiping off the brush in between. And here are the finished cupcake toppers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a great Halloween.